Hi, my name is Katie Zarco Cardoso, and I will be showing you the improvements made to the appointment booking flow on the client web app. In addition to a variety of visual and quality of life improvements, a new feature was added that gives staff members the ability to change the default service category displayed when a client selects the Book Now tab for either appointments or assets in the client web app. So to access these settings, I'm going to click on the app drawer, Setup. Then down at the bottom of my setup menu under web applications, click client web app. And then if I scroll down, I can see the Book Now tab settings. You will notice for both appointments and assets, you can now select a default category, which will be what a client sees first when they click on that Book Now tab in the client web app. So for appointments, our default category is set for private yoga sessions. For assets, right now, it's selected as all assets, but you can select from a drop-down of any assets you have set up in your business. When you're all set with your settings, click Save to save your Book Now tab settings. Here we are on the client web app. I'm on the Book Now tab, and I'm going to select Appointments to book an appointment. Notice that we are brought right to the private yoga sessions, since that is what we set as the default service category for the Appointment Book Now tab. So this client is booking this private individual session. So one thing you will notice is the ability to remove an add-on or update the quantity of that add-on at any point during the booking flow. So here we have the option of a black Yoga Pro mat for an add-on. So we can change the quantity here if we want. 1, 2. Then we're going to add it to the service. And notice also where it gives you the details of your purchase, you can also change the quantity if you need to. You can also delete this add-on at any point during your purchase. Okay, I'm going to click Next to continue booking this appointment. Just as before, you are to select the frequency of the appointment, the date. And what you will notice is that the date and time selection has been updated to be more visually appealing. And in this section, if there are any time slots that have a wait list, the time slot will show as a display in a different color with a little legend associated. So this 6 o'clock spot is filled and there is a wait list. However, I can select any other open time slot. Now, another change you'll notice is that if a client is not signed in as they're going through this booking flow, they are going to be prompted to sign in or sign up before they're asked to select a purchase option and complete the actual purchase of this appointment. So we have a client here that is going to sign in. Okay, and we can see that she is now prompted to continue booking and pay later or buy a new purchase option. So she is buying a new purchase option. Okay, and we can see here the details of her purchase. So we have a private session as well as that add-on, and she can still change the quantity of this add-on or delete it if she wishes with the total of her purchase. So this client is going to complete the booking, and we can see here the confirmation, thanks for booking, with the details of the appointment as well as the ability to share on social media. So with these changes, clients will enjoy a much smoother appointment or asset booking experience with less clicks so they can get to that purchase faster. And that's it for this training video showcasing the improved appointment and asset booking flow on the client web app. Thank you so much for watching.